Patakbo mo, Jap. Patakbo mo na.
Napasok pa rin.
Patay siya. Battery. Dabe battery. Susian, dabe? Okay. No. May questo. Vai. Ora sì.
Napasok pa rin.
Ayan. Oh. Indietro. Avanti, Jack. Naka-neutral ka. Naka-neutral ka, Jack eh. Yan. Bravo, bye. Si, bye. Bakit mo yung paa mo? Bensina, no? Bensina? Niente?
Daddy, non fa niente.
Vai, bensina. Primo. Vai. Paka mo, bensina. You have out of fuel. Apply the parking brake and switch to the emergency brake light. Out of fuel. Out of fuel daw siya.
Maybe it was just something to make her smile. To take her away from it all.
Ate, out of fuel siya, Jeff? Sabi? Wala na?
It wasn't until much later that I realized
Patay mo na, kuya.
the story she wanted me to tell had nothing to do with her at all. When I realized that the most important stories we have to tell are the ones